Hello everybody, so I made an order. It has finally arrived and I'm very pleased and happy. So I'm going to open this with you because I made this order to Maremis Small Art. It's from Marta. I love her channel. I love everything she does. I have learned a lot with all of the techniques that she has been teaching us in her videos, and she is a very nice and inspiring person. So, well, let's open up, right? Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow. I fell in love with these two stamps. I'm going to open them up. Maremis Small Art, let me show you. I'll put a link to Marta's channel in the video. And oh, I got some goodies. Oh my God. This is so amazing. I know that Marta, she is a wonderful person. She is so kind, and oh, this is so lovely. And I knew that she makes these cuddles to the people that order from her. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. Honestly, Marta, thank you. I was so, oh my God. I'm sorry, I have no words to say this. Oh, this is so lovely, Marta. Thank you. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Oh, this is so amazing. I was so happy because I fell in love with the stamps. And I really don't know what to say because when I saw Marta making some projects, I really love them. And I know that I decided I have to give a gift to myself. That's why I was so happy about it. And receiving this, Marta, you are everything that I believe in. Giving yourself to others in the videos, and look at this. Just this, for me, this is amazing. I will cherish this a lot. So let's put that aside for a moment. Let me open this up. This is Marta. For those who don't know her, she is adorable. She makes wonderful videos. And yes, this is my gift to myself. I was happy. I'm so happy right now, honestly. So I think that this is so amazing. So I love this one. Okay. This is so amazing. Let me get this. Okay, this is pretty new. So, and I'm going to try one. I have to try one. And this was another gift from a friend of mine. So I'll be trying this. This will be a very special also thing that I have. Let me see if I can stamp it, or yeah, only it one. Let me see if I'm not messing up. Oh, this is so beautiful. Oh, this is so amazing. Oh, this is amazing. Yes. Oh, yes. So I have lovely lovely. Oh God. So create. Be yourself. Yes, be yourself. I want this one. Be yourself. I've been struggling with, we are all been struggling with these difficult times that we are having. So I think that we need to be ourselves. We need to focus. And definitely this is, well, I hope I don't mess up. I don't know, just trying them out. I don't know if, oh, this is great. I don't know if this is going to be a project or not. Probably not. This is just me trying to save some things. I don't know. I will keep this just a book for trials or anything else. I think that my vase is a little bit bigger than this. Okay, let's try this one too. This is amazing. Marta, thank you once again. You are, oh, I love this. This is so cute. This is so cute. So, you know, I'm going to have fun now. Oh, just a sneak peek. This was a gift also. So, I've been having some ideas about it. This means January. And I've been doing some doodling. So, this is a sneak peek for you. And I'll show you, probably I will bring back something for you too.